A Stickman video takes most creators an entire day to build. Script, visuals, voiceover, editing. 4 separate jobs, 4 separate bottlenecks. But I found a way to compress that entire pipeline into one system. Free tools, 0 manual research, 1 afternoon. Today I'm breaking down the exact system that turns NotebookLM into a full Stickman content engine, start to finish. And at the end, you'll see the actual video this system produced. No camera, no animation skills, no paid software. Let's build it. You're probably thinking research takes forever. You scroll for an hour and still don't know what to make. Here's the friction point. Most creators guess at topics. Therefore, they publish videos nobody was searching for. Open NotebookLM, new project. Then pull up 3 proven Stickman channels. I'm using Simple Ways of Life, Zen, and Productive Peter. Copy each channel URL. Paste all 3 in his sources. NotebookLM loads them in seconds. Now go to Settings, then Chat, then Custom. This is the setup move that changes everything. Paste in a topic and title role prompt. Links in the description. Save it, and NotebookLM stops being a chatbot. It becomes a dedicated researcher for this exact niche. It already knows what these channels cover. It knows their title patterns. It knows what triggers the click. 1 line is all you type. Give me 5 topic and title ideas for my next Stickman video. That's it. The setup did the heavy lifting. Before the ideas even land, NotebookLM runs its own breakdown. Themes, patterns, what's actually working across all 3 channels. Then 5 fresh ideas drop. And here's the proof this actually works. None of these titles exist anywhere on those channels. NotebookLM didn't copy content. It read the pattern and built something new. Therefore, this whole system stays demonetization safe. You're not lifting anyone's video. You're building on a structure that's already proven. I picked idea 2, how to rewire your brain to crave hard tasks. Skepticism check. You're probably assuming AI scripts sound generic, robotic, obviously fake. But that only happens when you skip the setup. New NotebookLM project. Head to Simple Ways of Life. Filter by popular. You want the top performers, the videos that already proved the format works. Copy the top 5 URLs. Paste them in as sources 1 at a time. Settings, Chat, Custom. Same move as step 1. This time, paste in the script writer role prompt. NotebookLM has now absorbed the storytelling DNA of 5 proven videos. The pacing, the way each point builds on the last, how the hook opens. 1 line. Create a 1,000-word YouTube script about how to rewire your brain to crave hard tasks. And look at the structure that comes back. It opens on the automation of laziness, moves into the trap of cheap dopamine, builds to the morning dopamine crash, closes with practical neuroscience hacks. Each section escalates. That's not generic AI output. That's a structure pulled from what's already working. Same style, 0 copied content, clean channel, no demonetization risk. Open ChatGPT. Pull your visual planner prompt from your prompt stock. This one prompt turns your entire script into a scene-by-scene plan. Image prompts, motion prompts, all of it. Every scene caps at 8 seconds. Short scenes keep pacing tight. Therefore, the viewer never has a chance to drift. Drop your script into the placeholder. Hit Generate. First output, a visual base prompt. This is your consistency anchor. Character style, vibe, background, every scene locks to this. Then the scene breakdown starts. Each one gives you 3 things: voiceover line, image prompt, motion prompt. Same structure, every scene, ready to execute. Now here's a detail most people miss. Scene 5 has no Stickman in it at all. That's intentional. Repeating the same character every scene gets stale fast. Therefore, the system builds in roughly 20% graphic scenes, stats, concepts, abstract visuals to break the pattern and hold attention. Search Google Flow, open it, new project, set it to image creation, model set to Nano Banana. Pull your visual base prompt from ChatGPT, paste it in, generate. This first generation matters more than it looks. It locks your character's exact style before a single scene gets built. Upload that base image. Copy the scene 1 image prompt, paste, generate. Same lines, same style. The character carried straight through. Switch to video generation, upload the scene image, paste the motion prompt, generate. Clean motion prompt, clean animation. No artifacts, no noise. Repeat for every scene. Image first, then motion every time. One detail keeps this consistent scene to scene. Line thickness stays locked to the base. Open Google AI Studio, speaker settings on the right panel. Scroll through a few speaker demos until one fits. For a Stickman story, you want warm, approachable. Copy your scene voiceover lines from NotebookLM, paste into AI Studio, run it. Download, repeat for every remaining scene. Open CapCut, voiceover goes in first, that's your skeleton. Upload every scene, pull up your visual plan and use it as your map. It already tells you exactly which scene goes where. Sync scenes to voiceover following the plan. This part moves fast because every decision was already made in step 3. Trim or speed up any scene that runs long. Keep transitions to cold cuts only, no effects. That hard cut style gives the video a nostalgic, story-driven feel that fits this format perfectly. Drop the music in, pull the volume down so voiceover stays dominant. Bonus most people miss: Google Flow auto-generates sound effects with each clip, small movement sounds that make each scene feel alive. Let's see it.
Most people believe that avoiding hard work is simply a matter of laziness or a lack of personal discipline. However, neuroscience reveals that our brains are constantly trying to save energy by turning repeated actions into automatic behaviors. When you procrastinate or reach for your phone instead of doing a difficult task, it is not just a character flaw.